I'm Ron from Keystone Steam Supplies, and today we're going to talk about steam traps. First of all, what is a steam trap? There are many different types of steam traps and a variety of sizes and materials of construction, but at the core, a steam trap is a mechanical device used to manage the flow of steam. It behaves much like a traffic light at an intersection. If steam is present, it stops its flow into the return system until it's spent its energy and becomes condensate or hot water. Once this occurs, it allows the condensate to flow into the return piping system and make its way back to the boiler where, once again, it will become steam. The most common type of steam trap is a thermostatic trap. The thermostatic trap is a balanced pressure, temperature-based device, meaning that it responds to the difference in temperature as between steam and hot water, or steam and air. It's most commonly found at the end of radiators in heating systems or after machinery in process work applications. The trap is available from multiple manufacturers in a vertical pattern, angle pattern, horizontal or straight pattern, combination angle horizontal pattern, or a 90-degree horizontal pattern, that is, a left or right turn. It can operate in steam pressures from vacuum to an excess of 300 psi. It can be made from brass, bronze, cast iron, stainless steel. As you can tell, there are many options available, and yet they all operate in exactly the same way. At the heart of any thermostatic steam trap is the bellows. Once again, the bellows can be made from any one of several different materials and in either single or in multiple convolution varieties. Inside of each bellows is a volatile liquid that reacts to its surroundings. Remember the traffic light? Well, when the bellows is surrounded by steam, the liquid inside of the bellows turns into steam, causing the bellows to expand. When the bellows expands, it causes the plug, which is attached to the bottom of the bellows, to close the opening in the trap seat, and thus stopping the flow of steam into the return piping system. Once that steam has expended its energy, whether it's to heat a radiator or turn a turbine, and condense into water, that water now surrounds the bellows, and the steam inside the bellows condenses into water, contracting the bellows. This backs the plug away from the seat and opens the orifice in the bottom of the trap, allowing the condensate to flow into the return piping system and thus making its way back to the boiler where once again it turns into steam and the cycle repeats. And that's how a thermostatic trap operates. As long as the system is in operation, it constantly monitors the flow, stopping the steam from escaping until it's given up its energy and then letting the condensate go back to the boiler. The bellows is constantly flexing, opening and closing, and eventually it will rupture due to metal fatigue and need to be replaced. Keystone Steam Supplies is here to help you with your thermostatic steam trap requirements, whether it's for a new trap or a repair kit for an existing trap. Thank you for watching.